Here at EyeCareOne, we have a private practice, and part of our practice is our laser vision center. And our surgery suite is on the second floor. And that makes it very convenient for patients. So they have their evaluation, their pre-op, their post-op, and their surgery right here under one roof.
I've been doing refractive surgery of the eye, vision correction surgery, for almost 20 years and almost 14 years with laser vision correction. When you come to our practice at EyeCareOne, one of my partners will carefully evaluate you initially, perform a whole series of tests, get a complete ocular history, and they will determine if you are in fact a good candidate for this kind of procedure. And then I will fully review all the information and make the final determination with my partners.
People who are candidates for LASIK are a variety of prescriptions. We can correct farsightedness, nearsightedness, astigmatism, and even people who wear monovision contact lenses can have LASIK. So it gives you the freedom from your glasses, even if they're just for reading.
Our latest system, the WaveLight Allegretto 400 IQ system, is the fastest laser on the American market, and speed really does make a difference in laser vision correction procedures. We're very excited about this laser. It has an extraordinarily good capability in correcting vision.
The speed of the laser and having the latest technology is very important because it will speed up the healing time, and the results are fantastic.
Everyone is concerned about the pain of laser vision correction, and I'm happy to be able to tell you that there is very little, if any, discomfort. First of all, the procedure is very quick. Second of all, we give each patient a small quantity of relaxing medication by mouth before the procedure, which just sort of calms them down a bit.
Following the procedure, the vision will be clear immediately. It's an immediate improvement, and most people will notice that, especially in the first 24 hours. And then we watch the healing process very carefully. We feel that it's very important to have the surgery close to home because as you're having your follow-up care, you want to be sure that your doctors are there for you if you need them. So there's no reason to travel outside of Augusta to have LASIK surgery.
Before surgery, I wore contacts all the time, so I had them in about 16 hours a day, and then at night I'd switch to my glasses. And my vision without contacts or glasses was pretty poor. The physician was very thorough throughout the whole experience. I got in there and he talked me through what he was doing, and then during the laser time, he'd kind of tell me what to expect afterwards, which he'd already reviewed with me pre-op, and then again post-op. But just while the laser was going, it was a great distraction, and it was a great way to focus my mind elsewhere and to really have that narrowed in on what I'm going to expect afterwards. It went very smoothly, and I'd highly recommend it again. I mean, it would be a little intimidating to people, but it is a very smooth and easy procedure.
His vision prior to LASIK, or just in general, was really, really, really bad, and mine was bad but not that bad. So we had a little competition on who could have the best LASIK surgery, but I guess it really didn't make a difference because we kind of leveled the playing field once you have LASIK surgery, so we were starting from scratch.
There was no pain.
No pain.
I didn't feel any discomfort after the procedure, and because our visions were so different, the amount of time in each eye was a little different from hers. Mine was a little longer, hers was a little less.
Shorter. Dr. Sponseller is always going to be that person that fixed our eyes, and it's one of those things, we don't ever want to lose contact with her or with the office because no different than the person that married us, no different than the person that delivered our children. It's this person played a monumental role in your life. They will make you feel comfortable, and like we said, it might not be for everyone. There are some prerequisites, you actually have to go and do it, but if it's definitely the path you want to go down and you live in this area, I wholeheartedly recommend going to EyeCareOne and Dr. Sponseller's office. It's awesome.